We're at the Oha Honey Extraction Plant here in Masterton. Today we're going to be talking with Matariki Paewhenua and find out what she does here as 2IC. Matariki, what is this part of the extraction plant?
This is our fly-out area, so as the trucks get dropped off, they'll bring in our hives, lay them in here, and as there's space in our fly-out room, we can put them in here, take our lives off before they go into the heat room, and then it'll give time for the bees to fly up to our lights at night time. Once they're in our heat rooms, they stay in there for 3 days. It gives it time for the sugar and the honey to melt down, and it makes it an easier process to extract. So as they come out of the heat rooms after those 3 days, they come up into our processing area. Then our wax, excess wax, all off the boxes will get scraped off, so it makes it an easier way down the conveyor. And then after that, it will go through our EID reader. It will identify the site, the region, and the landowner that box of honey has come from. So we do not mix any sites. And after that, it will go through to our prickers, and our honey loosener will loosen the honey as you put the frame in, and then it will open up the caps, letting the honey run loose, making it easier for the spinners. So it'll get put into the spinner. As it spins for 3.5 minutes one way and 3.5 minutes the other way, that's all the honey extract from that one frame, and then come out as it wets, and then the wet will get stacked up, wrapped up, sent back to the apiary where the beekeepers will sort it out from there.
What do you enjoy about working here?
Meeting new people, yeah. I like just meeting all the new casuals, getting them working and seeing them how they improve and do their job.
You're 2IC now. What are your plans for the future?
I'm liking this 2IC position, seeing if I can grow within the honey industry, especially with Oha. Ngā tahus, they've put a lot in place, like for a real business, where before it was a bit different. Yeah, I'm really liking it.